Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Owners. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to avoid getting banned on Lunarcrush or avoid getting your profile strength to be reducing, and how to avoid getting your multiplier will be decreasing. So this is my Telegram channel. I'll be keeping the link in my description if you want to join. I post legit airdrops and how to earn free NFTs, and I even post my videos in my YouTube videos in here. So all the airdrop, as you can see, they are legit and they are paying. So let's go to Lunarcrush. So when you enter Lunarcrush, so if you check my account, I'm in the pro. So if you're in a pro and you went and scan your profile, for now it will go back to newbies, this one, newbies. Okay, so please avoid going and scanning your profile. So that's number one. The second one is for because about the this update that is going on Lunarcrush. Don't go and try to withdraw. So if you went and try to withdraw, at the end your account will be banned, or you will lose your tokens, your Lunarcrush tokens. So that's for that. And if you check, my time on site is decreasing. That's like my it's decreasing. That's my multiplier. So it's decreasing like every day. So that's a problem. I don't know why is this happening. So it's decreasing. I used to have ×2. I used to have like 75 point something, but now it's 47 point something. So now I'm getting 1 Lunarcrush every day. But if you check my weekly user bonus, I got 2. I used to get like 1.7. As you can see, it's increasing. So that's the thing you need to avoid for getting banned or getting your profile strength decrease. So I want to show you a legit airdrop that I've joined. Okay, so the airdrop is paying. You just need to wait for about 24 hours to receive it, and I'll show you my payment proof. But let me show you. It's in my Telegram channel if you want to check it out. So let's go up. Okay, first of all, what you need to do if you want to join this airdrop is called Metaverse. Okay, you need to go and join one of the group. After joining one of the group, go and join the your Metaverse channel and then the sponsor channel. After that, you need to copy this, write Metaverse, and then post it on the group. Okay, after doing that, then you click on done. Okay, then click on next. Then you need to go to your Twitter and then follow them, and then go to the click on and then go to the Twitter again, and then like and retweet and tag about 3 friends. Okay, and then go and retweet another second post. Okay, after doing that, you can skip this one. Okay, even this one you can skip it, and then go and follow the sponsor, the people that are sponsoring them. And after doing that, then the first retweet you do, then copy the link and then paste it. After pasting, you come and send them your bit20 address. After sending the bit20 address, you get 10,000 Metaverse. That's about like $300. So the price is increasing like every day. So if you refer someone, you get 2,500 Metaverse. So I have withdrawn my tokens and I have received it. So let me show you my proof. Okay, as you can see, my wallet, I only have Metaverse, and if you check, it's about $388. So Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to earn free crypto.